Are rising gas prices draining your wallet? What if I told you that small changes to your car could save you hundreds at the pump? Poor fuel efficiency isn't just frustrating, it's expensive. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some easy fixes that'll have your car running smoother and more efficiently. Let's start with one of the simplest, yet most overlooked, factors: tire pressure. Low tire pressure increases rolling resistance, making your car work harder and burn more fuel. All you need is a tire pressure gauge, and it only takes a minute to check. Keep your tires inflated to the manufacturer's recommended levels, and you could see a significant boost in your MPG. Next up, let's talk about air filters. A clogged air filter chokes your engine, forcing it to work overtime. That means more fuel consumption and worse performance. Changing your air filter regularly is easy and affordable. In fact, a clean air filter can improve fuel efficiency by up to 10%. Ever feel like your car just doesn't have the same get up and go? It might be time to change your spark plugs. Worn-out plugs can cause misfires, meaning your engine isn't burning fuel as efficiently as it should. Replacing your spark plugs ensures smooth combustion, better performance, and yes, better gas mileage. Don't forget about your oil. Old dirty oil can increase friction in your engine, causing it to work harder and burn more fuel. Regular oil changes keep everything running smoothly. Be sure to use the right oil for your engine to get the best performance and fuel efficiency. Your driving habits play a big role in how much fuel you use. Rapid acceleration and sudden braking waste gas. Driving smoothly is key. Try to anticipate stops and starts, and maintain a steady speed whenever possible. Using cruise control on highways can also improve fuel efficiency. The more weight your car carries, the harder the engine has to work. If you're lugging around extra stuff in your car, it's time to lighten the load. Remove any unnecessary weight, especially from the trunk. Even small reductions can make a noticeable difference in your fuel economy. Aerodynamics also play a role in fuel efficiency. Driving with your windows down or using a roof rack increases drag, causing your car to use more fuel. Whenever possible, keep the windows up and remove any roof racks when not in use. Reducing drag means less resistance and better fuel mileage. With just a few simple changes, you can dramatically improve your car's MPG. From checking your tire pressure to replacing your air filter, these small fixes can save you big money at the pump. Want more tips to keep your car in peak performance? Subscribe to GearShift for daily videos that'll help you get the most out of your ride.